In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevrolet Blazer key fob. This process will just take under 5 minutes, and the only thing you need to get it done is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you'd like to get one of these batteries online, you can check out the link that I will put in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon, where you can get this particular battery for just a couple of bucks. Now the first step here is to pull out this internal key. So what we want to do is hold down the button on the left side of the device, and while holding, we pull out the key. Hold on to this key because we're going to be using this to actually pry from in here, pry off this back section of plastic. Now I'm just going to show you how to do it once, and then I'll kind of talk you through it. So what we're doing is just that. That's how you get it open. Oops. And what we're doing is we're just inserting it a little ways. If you insert it too far, it will be stuck in there and you won't be able to pry. So let me show you once more. Just gonna squeeze this thing back together. So we're going in the keyhole, and we will be prying in this direction to pop up the back section of plastic. If you go in, that's too far, it's not going to wiggle at all, it's not going to go anywhere, just about right there, just so you can get it kind of locked. So I'm pulling and I feel that it's not going anywhere. And if you look closely, when you're in this position and you start applying pressure, you can actually see the seam of plastic opening up. That's what you want to see. If you're in too deep and you're pulling, you're not going to see any opening there. It's never going to open for you. So just be careful. And once you find this kind of sweet spot like that, it comes out, pops off pretty easily. And then you can just pull it apart with your fingers. From here, I would recommend grabbing that flathead screwdriver, and we just want to get under the battery and just kind of pop it up. Just get under and lift it up, and you can kind of dump it out there. Get rid of your old battery. Make sure your new battery is a CR2032. And when you were putting it in, make sure the positive side that has that text on it and the plus sign goes face down. So we just click it into place, positive side down, and now we can just snap the two halves of the device back together. So I'm going to set this on top, and once I make sure it's all lined up, I can just squeeze it back together. There we go, and just put your key back in there, and you are all set. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, you can let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, remember, you can always come back to this channel. We have videos for the devices for pretty much every maker model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.